Hey there! Is your Notes app giving you trouble and crashing when you least expect it? We totally understand how annoying that can be, especially when you need to jot down something important. But don't worry, I have got your back. In this guide, we'll walk you through some easy steps to help you get your Notes app back on track. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. First, press and hold the power button along with the volume up or volume down button for iPhones that don't have a home button until the slider appears on your screen. Next, slide to power off your iPhone, then wait for a few seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. Solution 2. Update iOS. Now, open the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, tap on General. Then, select Software Update. If you see an update available, tap Download and Install to update your iPhone. Keeping your software updated can help fix bugs that cause apps to miss. Solution 3. Close and reopen the Notes app. To start, swipe up from the bottom of your screen or double-click the Home button to open the app switcher. After that, locate the Notes app and swipe it up to close it completely. Now, reopen the Notes app to check if the crashing issue is resolved. Solution 4. Check storage space. First, open the Settings app. Then, go to General and tap on it. Next, tap iPhone storage to see how much space you have left. If you're running low on storage, consider deleting any unused apps or files to free up some space, as insufficient storage can lead to app crashes. Solution 5. Reset all settings. To begin, open Settings and tap General. Scroll down to find the option. Then, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Just a heads up, this will reset your settings but won't delete your data, so you'll have to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords and tweak any other settings afterwards. Tip: always remember to back up your important data before performing any resets. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the crashing issue with your Notes app on your iPhone. If the problem keeps popping up, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for further help. Thanks for hanging out with me today and happy note-taking.